everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yang. In this video, let's talk about Chinese grammar and discover the key to speaking Chinese correctly. Understanding grammar is essential for improving your reading comprehension and spoken fluency. In China, we have a mnemonic that, once understood, helps us know how to speak Chinese correctly without making grammar mistakes. I will explain it with a complete example sentence. No matter at which stage you are, watching today's video will greatly help you understand Chinese rules better, improving your reading comprehension and speaking skills, and greatly enhancing your Chinese proficiency. So, let's explore this topic together. 主谓宾定状补，主干之业分清楚，定语常在主宾前，谓语为状谓后补。状语有时为主前，逗号分开心有数。It sounds difficult, right? Don't worry. I will divide it into several parts to explain it. First sentence has a saying, 主谓宾定状补，主干之业分清楚。It means that the subject, predicate, and object form a backbone of a sentence. The modifiers are like the branches and the leaves of a tree, adding more details to the main structure. Let's see it in action. The 6 characters 主谓宾定状补 represent 6 sentence structure. 主是主语 refers to the subject, which is a noun. 谓语 is predicate, represents the verb, the action. 宾语is the object, also a noun. For example, 学生看书，学生看书。Student, read book. The predicate of 看 is an action. It means read, so it is a verb. The one performing the action is the subject, 学生。学生 student is a noun. And the thing being read is the object. 书 book. So the structure is subject, predicate, object. It's the backbone of the sentence. Now, let's examine modifiers, the adverbial and the complements. What kind of students? How do they read? What kind of book? These are the modifiers that add more elements to the subject and object. The position of modifiers is important. They usually come before the subject or object. For example, 认真的 describes the diligent student. 认真的学生 and 有趣的 modifies the interesting book. 有趣的书 By adding these modifiers, the sentence becomes more complete and descriptive.
But now, let's take a 10 seconds break. If you're interested in Chinese private lesson to improve and practice your Chinese skills, I recommend you check out my website. You can easily book a one-to-one private lesson or join a group lesson without the need of registration. Additionally, we offer the option to schedule a trial lesson to meet your teacher. That is me.
The phrase 谓前为状谓后补 tells us the position of adverbial phrases and complements. Adverbial phrases should come before the verb. How does a serious student read an interesting book? I will say 快速的 quickly read it. 快速的 is an adverb that describes the action. When an adverb comes before the verb, the part after the verb is called a complement. How does one read? 看完 means completely. The complement 完 tells us how the student reads. In this case, read completely. 看完 means finish reading the book. Sometimes adverbial phrases can appear before the subject, separated by a comma. It is used to modify the entire sentence. Both adverbial of time and place related can be used in this way. For instance, adding an adverbial of place. 在教室里 in the classroom before the sentence. 在教室里认真的学生快 快速地看完有趣的书。在教室里，认真的学生快速地看完有趣的书。In the classroom, the diligent student quickly finishes reading an interesting book. If it's adverbial of time, we can say 在星期一的早上。在星期一的早上 on Monday morning. 在星期一的早上，认真的学生快速地看完有趣的书。在星期一的早上，认真的学生快速地看完有趣的书。On Monday morning, the diligent student quickly finishes reading an interesting book. Alright, let's conclude the rules. In this video, we've constructed a sample sentence to explain Chinese grammar. Once you understand the sequence of elements, Chinese become more easy. Let's summarize the order. Adverbial phrases, comma, modifier plus subject plus adverbial phrases plus verb plus complement plus modifier plus object. So I encourage you to take note of this example and familiarize yourself with the structure. When reading, you can quickly grasp the meaning by focus on the subject, predicate, and object. They are the backbone of a sentence. Even if you come across complex sentences or unfamiliar modifiers, understanding the core message becomes easier. For example, 稳重的学生一目十行地看完高深的书。稳重的学生一目十行地看完高深的书。You may not understand what is 稳重的 what is 一目十行 or 高深的 mean, but we can understand the backbone of the sentence. 学生看书学生看书 student read the book, which means I'm talking about something related to students reading books. So that's the point for today. Yeah, the translation of the last sentence is the serious student quickly reads through the profound book, understanding its contents at a glance. Alright, that's it for our video today. I hope you enjoy it. And if you find it helpful for your Chinese learning, remember to comment, like it, and share it. I'll see you next time. 再见。